see if there's anything good in the fridge. Former enemies, one and all. A catalogue of thieves, double-crossers, and do-gooders. Prepare to meet your maker. Your ice maker.
Makes me laugh every time, that one.
Shut that door.
Liquid nitrogen, that will freeze us instantly.
There's a paperclip in my back pocket. See if you can get it. In the pocket, in the pocket.
Blimey, it's cold.
That's why I wore my mittens.
Huh? Hitmen don't wear mittens. Take them off. You're embarrassing me.
Well, it's all right for you. You got little hands.
Got it.
They don't get as cold.
I ain't got little hands.
Yeah, you have. You got ladies' hands.
Oh, they might be small, but they're lethal weapons, these.
You got your mother's hands. You watch your hands.
Put your hands together.
Wet your feet. Oh!
Squirm in.
Goodbye, vermin. Now, let me see the latest addition to my Cubist collection. What? Impossible!
Oi! Hermit! The prize returns to me. You big, fat, slimy airbag!
After them! Why are you stopping? Can we have a plan?
We? It's we!
Wait, you can't just leave me here!
Faster, you idiots! They're escaping!
Oh!
No! Not the master cable!
We have a plan?
Put that back!
Wait. That'll never hold both of us.
You're right. Toodaloo.
No, wait!
Freeze!
No, don't break. There are things I want to do, sights I want to see. That wasn't on the list.
Hey!
Do something! Wow! Keep your legs straight when you hit the water!
I kept my legs straight, Spike.
Oh. Ow!